All right, mathematicians, today we're going to keep practicing composing and decomposing numbers up to 1200. All right, so I want us to look at the number. Let me write this number right here. All right, so let's look at the number that I built, 1193. Now, if I want to write that number in expanded form, remember we've been working on our expanded form, I would write 1000 plus 100, because that's how many hundreds I have here. And then I have 9 tens, so that actually means the number 90. So I'm going to say plus 90 plus, and then I just have 3 ones. So there's my expanded form, 1193. 1000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 3. That's the expanded form of that number. Okay, now let's think about this number. Can I decompose it in a different way? So I took it apart, I decomposed it in that way. Can I decompose it a different way? So I'm thinking that I'm going to break up this 100 and make it all tens. So now when I write my expanded form of this number, I have 1000 and I have 10 and 9. I have 19 hundreds. So if I draw 1000 plus, tens, 19 tens is 190. So I have 190 plus 3. So there's another way I could decompose that. 1000 plus 190, because I have 190 in tens, plus 3, or 1019 tens and 3 ones. Let's see if we can come up with a different way I could have decomposed that number. Or let's do a different number. Let's clear it, and let's build another number. How about the number 1200? And that's all. This is the number 1200, right? So if I'm going to put this in expanded form, I would write it like this. 1000 plus 200, because that's how many hundreds I have. And then even though there's a 0 there, I still have to put plus 0 to hold its place in line. Plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. So it would look like this. But I could decompose it into a different way. What if I took one of these hundreds and I broke it up? Well, now I have 1,110 tens. That would be a different way to decompose that number. Okay, let's try another one. You try in your journal some different ways to decompose 1,124. What's a different way? Can you write the expanded form and then show me a different way to do that? Pause the video and you write it in expanded form and then show me a different way and come back. Now let's check on your expanded form. Hopefully your expanded form looks like this. 1,000 plus, expanded is where I put the plus signs because I'm just adding them up to get a number. 100 plus 20, because I have 2 tens, plus 4. Does your expanded form look like mine? 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4? What are some other ways you could have decomposed that number? You could have broken up your hundreds, and then I would have had 1,000, 12 tens, and 4 ones. Or you could have broken up the 1,000, maybe, and I would have 10 hundreds, 12 tens, and 4 ones. But all of those ways still show me 1,124. So today in your math, you're going to be doing some more practice. Practice on your braining cat. Build a number up to 1,200 and then write it in expanded form, and then see how many different ways you can decompose that number for me, and share your favorite one with me on Seesaw. Can't wait to see them.